Welcome to Cracking the Code, Mastering the Secrets to Online Success. We will be introducing you to the online world and its complexities, unveiling the secrets to online success, and encouraging you to accelerate your online journey. Are you eager to embrace the complexities of this digital labyrinth? Then let's get started, and remember, we will offer a unique discount at the end of the video. Here we go. The first stop on our journey involves discovering your unique niche. Dig deep to find what fuels your burning passion and let it be the guiding light of your focus. Distinguish yourself by embracing who you are and being authentic. Forge a genuine connection with your audience that will stand the test of time. Keep in mind, being genuine is the cornerstone of building a thriving online presence. The second secret is consistency. Consistently delivering high-quality content builds credibility and trust. Keep your audience engaged and always wanting more. It's crucial to balance quantity with quality and ensure each content piece serves a purpose. Each piece content should not only fulfill a purpose but also leave a lasting imprint. Another essential element to thriving online is networking. Strike up alliances with fellow enthusiasts, industry experts, and influencers. Remember, nurturing these relationships will give you a wider perspective. Networking is indeed a stepping stone to new opportunities. By diligently fostering these relationships, you're essentially expanding your outlook and clearing the path for exciting opportunities ahead. The fourth secret we are going to reveal is all about investing in yourself. Like a wise person once said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Constantly take the initiative to educate yourself. Keep yourself updated and stay in sync with the newest trends and strategies in your field. Make it a regular habit to participate in various webinars, workshops, and conferences. These are the platforms that will help you enhance your skill set and stay competitive. Yes, you heard it right. Regular participation in webinars, workshops, and conferences not only boosts your knowledge but also keeps you on the cutting edge in your field. Our journey continues as we take the next step, which is optimizing your online presence. Let's start by enhancing your website's user experience. Now switch gears and apply SEO techniques. It's time to utilize social media platforms to boost visibility and reach. Finally, venture into the exciting world of digital marketing tools to connect with a broader audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial. Respond to comments, spark discussions, express gratitude for their support. Cultivating a loyal community breeds trust and propels your online success. The ultimate key to achieving online success lies in persistence. The journey of establishing an online footprint mirrors a marathon rather than a sprint. It is through sheer determination and grit that one can overcome any challenges that emerge. Continue to strive relentlessly, and the achievement of success will be within your reach. Keep pushing forward, and victory will soon be yours. That concludes our journey through Cracking the Code, Mastering the Secrets to Online Success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to tune in for more enlightening content. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. We are offering an exclusive once-in-a-lifetime discount for watching this video, which you can find in the link in the description. So do not forget to check out this unique opportunity awaiting for you on my website. Together, let's traverse the boundless realm of online success and explore its limitless potential.